We first contacted Vlad and company because in this house it was difficult to do air conditioning. No attic, built on a slab, and so we knew that it needed a special solution. And we heard about mini splits from other people that had worked with Elmar, so we thought we'll give him a shout. Vlad was the person that we interacted with first off, and he seemed very knowledgeable. He seemed like he was going to look at all the possible solutions, and very sort of neutral about whether we proceeded or not. I didn't feel any pressure, just felt like here's a guy with solutions and he could probably help me. We were really pleasantly surprised with the ductless systems in that you don't even know they're on practically, and we turned one on in the upstairs room and within a minute or two it seems like, wow, it's almost too cold in here. So we were really surprised at how quiet they are and the efficiency, and the floor unit as well works great. So we couldn't be happy with them. So this is an example of the floor mount unit, which we're extremely happy with. It's incredibly quiet and it has cooled and heated this space brilliantly. So this is an example of the wall mount unit, and it cools my office really quickly and very efficiently. I used to have a casement window air conditioner and it was so noisy, and the energy drain was incredible. But this is, as I said, quiet, efficient, and very happy with it. This is my wife's office, and we have a mini split in here as well. Aesthetically, we wanted it to blend in as much as possible, and these things are great for that. Elmar was recommended to me by a friend. We were talking about the mini split she got in her house and the ductless idea, and I've been wanting to do this in my house for such a long time, and I thought, okay, if Elmar came recommended by her, then I would go with them and check them out, and I did, and I would totally recommend anybody interested in this kind of system to check out Elmar.